where it's right, Ted. I will spin for you guys in a second so you guys can get a better look. Oh, hold on. I'll get this boat started.
We don't want you to get the boat stuck either.
Hold on, I'll spin for the left side in a second because if we went straight into that grass, there's nobody getting us out of there.
What are we looking for? This bird.
Oh, I see.
Oh, see that bird?
Yeah.
Pretty bird?
Alright, let's I'll spin back for you guys in a second. This right here is a purple gallinal. And they come from the same family as the chickens.
Is it a chicken? That is not a chicken.
Of course. Now, I've been visiting this one for a year and a half now. It's two of them. I call them Tom and Jerry. This is the male right here, Tom. We're not seeing much of the female recently because 2 months ago they had babies. I don't know if you guys can hear a little chirping coming from that grass over there. Those are the babies. Now, I love them because of how cute they are. The only reason they like me is because I bring them bread. Let me spin around for the other side now.
There was an alligator behind us, just so you know. That
Oh, yeah?
up over
Yeah.
And you know what?
Popped back under though.
That's great that you say that because before he moved the babies over there, he was in this grass behind us.
Oh.
And one day I see him hanging from one of the tall grass and he's just looking at me and I call him and I call him and he's not coming and I'm like, what's going on? There was a gator around. He's smart.
He's gonna get you?
He's
You're
right
gonna
here.
gouge my damn You're fine, Ma. Do not scream. You are fine.